Hi, my name is Agamano and I am from Habsaba, Ethiopia. And if you're wondering where that is, that's a country on the east side of Africa. I am 16 years old and today I'm going to be presenting my final project to you guys. So, the final project's name is Premier League Predicts. So, essentially, what it does is you pick from these teams, available teams over here, Charlington, City, everything here. So, you pick two teams like home team over here, away team over here, and it will give you a prediction. So when you run this program, what's gonna happen is it's gonna it's gonna train the model. So all this is it training the model, and after it trains the model, it's gonna ask you for the information. All right, so let's see this in practice. Let's run the program. So now it's training the model. Uh, so while it's training the model, it's going to take a reasonable amount of time, so we're going to time lapse through this phase and we'll come back after it's done. So the program finished running and we have a 64% accuracy. It's not good, it's not bad. So here's all the teams you can pick from. I picked West Brom and Tottenham in advance. Put all these in, and then the program predicted Tottenham. So if then we could see that Tottenham actually did win that game, and here's all the information I put in. So thanks for watching, and one more disclaimer before I go. This program is not anywhere good enough to be used for betting purposes, so I highly discourage any thoughts of betting with this program. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.